Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Faren. My first name is Fred, and today we have another product review for you guys. Briogeo is one of my favorite black-owned luxury hair care brands, and they just released this mango and cherry balancing shampoo and conditioner. So the key ingredients: mango contains vitamin C and E, which help protect against free radical damage. You have cherry, which is rich in natural sugars that hydrate your hair, and it also contains vitamin C. And then it also has papaya enzymes, which really helps with balancing the oil production on your scalp. So I purchased this as a pack for $49. These do retail individually for $28, and you get 12.5 fluid ounces. I got mine straight from the Briogeo website, but I'm pretty sure you can find it at Sephora and at Ulta. And in case you aren't familiar with Briogeo, they are a clean beauty brand, which means there's no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones. It's cruelty free, all that fun stuff. So now that I got all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this product review. So for the shampoo, as you can see, this consistency is very loosey-goosey and runny, so please be very careful if you are using this in the shower, or you are going to watch your coins wash down the drain. A little bit does go a long way, in my opinion. You really didn't need much to get the lather that you needed, or to really feel like you were getting to your scalp. Now, what I wouldn't do is try to detangle with this shampoo. No, not at all. You must keep in mind that this is geared towards removing the oils from your scalp. This is for oily hair, scalp people. And y'all, it did that. My hair was so cleansed. It was almost squeaky clean by the time it was time for me to rinse this out. Definitely not a double shampoo situation for me. One was all that I needed. If you look at my hair is elongated and stiff at this point. Like it has just, my hair is a clean slate. It's what it absolutely feels like. But on rinse out, I will say that my hair had some sort of a shine to it, which my hair isn't shiny. It's kind of dull. I'm used to it. So I can say that this shampoo definitely gave my hair a little bit of shine, which I can appreciate. So moving on to the balancing conditioner, this was like perfect. It wasn't too heavy, it wasn't too lightweight. It's a little lighter scented than the shampoo, but I don't think either one of them are overpowering. And y'all, I think this worked really well on my hair. It worked the best when my hair was soaking wet. As you can see, as I apply it to my soaking wet hair, I can finger detangle and really just move it through my strands. Now, I did have to use quite a bit, but I'm just so accustomed to using conditioners that are with heavy butters and oils that I have a tendency to go overboard sometimes. I won't say that you necessarily have to do it. I would say use as much as you feel is necessary for your hair. But I ended up using quite a lot, but it still looks like I have a lot in my container. I will show you that in just a moment. But on rinse out, y'all, it definitely put the moisture back into my hair that the shampoo sucked out. My hair is extremely moisturized. I will say that it is balanced, and it is so incredibly soft, you guys. I just love when I rinse my conditioner out and my hair just feels like a cloud. What I also like is that it conditioned my hair, and my hair felt that moisturized in a short amount of time. You only need to leave this on for 2 minutes, which is perfect for me when I'm doing wash and goes, because I like for the entire process to take no longer than 30 minutes because I don't have time for my shower to be getting cold. So this 2-pack was definitely a great foundation for the rest of my wash and style. I would have to say, you guys, I really enjoyed this wash day. I would probably go as far as to say simply because it was just all around a good experience. If I wasn't a natural hair YouTuber and constantly using different products, these two would be something that I would use on a pretty regular basis. Not necessarily every wash day, because you know, like, I do need to deep condition and I do need protein and all those other things, but I could see myself reaching for these at least 2 out of the 4 weeks in a month to wash my hair. I really enjoyed them. Even though I felt like I used a lot of the conditioner, I still have quite a bit left, even though I definitely kept reaching and reaching and reaching for it. Same with the shampoo. These will definitely last me a long time, you know, especially the shampoo, because a little really did go a long way. Absolutely love the packaging, just because I can simply see how much that I've used. It was just really a really good experience, to be completely honest, you guys. That's all that I have for you guys today. I hope this video can help aid in your decision on whether or not you should try these new products out. Please share this video with someone you think might enjoy it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.